Hi there, this is Haspa with WTI, and I have to say, I'm seriously impressed with the NIPPIES Breast Lift Tape. It gives me that lifted, fuller looking cleavage without having to wear a bra, which I don't like wearing. And trust me, that makes a huge difference for me because I have small breasts. And the boost it gives is super noticeable, and honestly, it makes me feel so much more confident. Another thing I love is the material because it's fabric-like and has a lot of spandex in it. So a single strip really goes a long way, and it's super easy to use. You just cut the length you want, apply, and then I'm good to go. And it's also perfect for those outfits where a bra just doesn't work, especially halter dresses that usually show everything. But the best part is that I can wear it with plunging necklines, one shoulder styles, or halter tops, and it stays in place beautifully while I still feel comfortable. Honestly, this little tape has become a total game changer for all my outfits. Simple, very effective, and it makes me feel amazing. I don't have to worry about wearing a bra, and most importantly, I feel really confident. But that's just my point of view.